This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lori Scarnecchia. Freshly painted, immaculate 1-bed, 1.5 bath, plus den rental in a boutique 55+ complex with community pool, barbecue station and outdoor shower. Laundry facilities on each floor. Sitting on the second floor balcony, overlooking pool in the evenings. You will love the view towards the west and the beautiful sunsets while enjoying the weather here in sunny South Florida. Very good location, minutes from the ocean, 95, major shopping, and FAU. This home has been beautifully updated with modern kitchen and granite countertops and tiled throughout. Bath features beautiful shower, updated vanities. Plenty of closet space. Cable, internet, and water included in rental price. Laundry facility on the same floor, by the elevator. For more information, review the details below or contact Lori Scarnecchia at 561-289-2066.